US visa holders, shocking news for them. They are not safe. They possess legal visa holder, but they are not safe. Why they are not safe? USCIS announced that they will review their applications at any time. According to new US immigration law, any visa holder, any immigrant who possess legal visa, either on student visa, work visa, marriage visa, tourist visa, whatever the visa category he has, family visa, he will be under review. Mean that your visa technically still is not your visa. So be careful. Your any act within USA can put your application once again on review. Your application, visa application, can be reviewed and can be reversed anytime. So this is shocking news for visa holders. 55 million applicants who currently possess visa in recent months, they will be reviewed under this new US immigration law. Thank you very much.